anyway, today is National Teachers Appreciation Day. Yay! So that's a good thing. And on top of that, it's National Foster Care Day, which I guess that's pretty much taking a minute to be like, hey, listen, there's a lot of kids in foster care, so how about you do what you can to help out? Hey, I'm trying to do my part. I actually took the foster care classes, which was like 12 classes, and now I'm doing my home study. It's a total of 3 home study, but oh, I'm sorry, I ain't drinking enough water this morning. Hey, I made it to the gym. But anyway, it's a total of 3 home studies, and I've completed 1, so I got 2 more left. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm really limping right now. And pretty much I want to be a part of that foster care system. Oh yeah, my favorite of all, today is National Roast Lamb Day. Yeah, roast a rack of lambs, roast any type of lamb, because today is the day for it. Now, out of all the national days, I'm going to focus on this roasted lamb, because y'all know I love eating food. Anyway, I'm about to go ahead and get in this gym and exercise my tail off. I'm freaking tired, guys. That was a hardcore exercise. Anyway, I was thinking more about this foster parenting shit. For the simple fact, bro, when I was in those classes, they taught me a lot. Like how I should have brought water down here. That's where I messed up. But anyway, they were saying pretty much how the foster kids have it bad off, y'all. It's terrible. Then they were saying how like 50% of foster kids won't graduate from high school. And I mean, that could be a good thing or a bad thing, I guess. But then when they start talking about how they had PTSD, like 70% of kids in foster care end up with it. I can barely think, that's how tired I am. I cannot stand walking up this long steep hill after the gym. I feel so lazy though driving down here. But anyway, yeah, and then they was talking about how 70% of people in prison are have at one point been in foster care. And it's like, damn, 70%? And so that's when I was like, yo, I need to be a foster parent, because apparently the system is broke. And if I can do anything, oh, that man look creepy. And if I can do anything like to change at least one kid's life, which I wanted to get 4, then that'd be a plus. Yeah, I'm about to go home and make some breakfast. Whatever I got in the refrigerator, I try to do that. I'm gonna show y'all what this mess look like though. I'll see you in a minute. Please love me too. This is my prayer. I got some yellow squash, I don't know if you can see it, and some turkey sausage. Actually, I don't know what type of sausage this is, but I think it's turkey sausage. That's the only thing I can put together. That's a couple jalapenos. So yeah, then I'm gonna eat this fruit while my food cook. So yeah. Oh yeah. On top of that, I got an apple. So drinking that delicious water. I've had like 3 cups so far. I noticed I drink a lot of water in the morning. Gotta start drinking water in the afternoon too. Okay, my breakfast is finally finished cooking. So, you see that? Oh yeah, buddy. I didn't overcook the squash because I like mine with a little crisp bite to it. And these were steamed off as well. So like in the morning for the past couple of days when I make breakfast, I don't use any butter or oil. All I do is use some water in a non-stick pan. I end up putting the rest of my fruit inside of my water because that was too much fruit. Have a great day and I'll see you later. Oh, quick update on the baby birds I was telling y'all about. One of them died. Sorry, I said I wasn't gonna cry. But yeah, one of the birds died.
Some girls can't feel it, so them have to blow. Can't do it good. the man that come up front row. Girls walk out, can't kill a puppy show. Plant your fingers and dip up on the door.